Hey everybody, Porch Light here. Now, I just thought I'd do a quick video on this seed company that I stumbled upon. Now, you may have heard of them, you may not have heard of them, and I am not getting paid for this, okay? Not saying I don't want to get paid. I mean, just saying like... But at the end of the day, I thought it'd be real nifty just to do one of my first unboxings. Now, it actually came in a box.
Envy is my sin.
Oh, what's in the box?
Not till you give me the
What's in the box?
So, yeah. So, if you're not familiar with this company has been around 15, 20 years, actually. And you may have seen the seeds in your local nursery. Now, another thing about this company is it was recently purchased by Epic Gardening. And again, I'm going to go ahead and give these folks the credit because, you know, if I was selling seeds in a pretty little box like this, I would want them to give me the credit. So go ahead and check out their channel. And they got 40 billion subscribers, so I'm sure they'll say hi. Anywho, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Now, I do not have my... stand, my tripod, as usual. So we're just going to have to do the magical switcheroo there. Okay? So let's see what's in the box. Now, I haven't opened it yet. So let's see. Alright, y'all. So we got the box open. So let's see what we got in here. Hey! Happy grown. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now that's classic. So, I got a free seed starting guide. Okay, I'll put that with the rest of them. Oh, look at that. A thank you seed. You know, I had to get some munchers. Yes, they have potato seeds, and I got them. I had to get them. This was a very, very impulse purchase. I had to get them. So, yes, I'm going to plant potatoes by seed. Video coming soon. Homemade pickle thingies, seeds, yeah. And for 55 days, though, I can plant these tonight. Onions. Yeah. Mung beans. Sprouts. Amazing. Yeah, we're going to mung it out. And I'm sure that's my receipt. So just trust that that's correct. So I'm pretty sure this is all my seeds. And I got thank you seeds. I got a love letter. Ooh. And I got a fancy box that I'm about to repurpose 15 times. All right, y'all. Botanical interests. Check them out. Epic Garden. Tell them Porch Light sent you. No, seriously. Tell them Porch Light sent you. And yeah, subscribe. I've been told that I have to tell people to subscribe for whatever reason, but okay. Yeah, Porch Light out. Peace.